I've searched the internet and I found this Oppo AI Phone Fine N5 slim yet powerful, co-developed with Hasselblad, and the price is $1,654 for the least expensive version and $1,800 for the most expensive version. There's only two versions with 12 GB of RAM and 16 and double internal storage. If you want to choose a color, white, black or purple. The release is 2702, so a couple of days when we're recording this video. I bought many smartphones from that site. Satisfaction was enormous. You can pay PayPal, Bitcoin, stablecoins, USDC, USDT, many cryptocurrency to choose to. Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay, all kinds of payments. And if you don't like US dollars, you can choose any other currency. British pound, euros, whatever. All right, let's continue to the original side. Fine N5. Let's see what are the specs and everything. Slim strength. That's very slim. 9 millimeters. 8.9, basically 9. 229 grams. It looks like a regular smartphone, size-wise. And by the way, cool looking screen, 6.6 inch. And when you open it, then you will have 8 large inch screen. Wow. And also very thin. 4 millimeters, 4.2. Very thin. Armor shield, every aspect engineered. Titanium alloy flexion hinge. Wow. All right. Shield aluminium frame. Waterproof at all level. IPX688. Do remember then, it's not like you can submerge this smartphone in a pool or something like that. Don't go swim with it. No, it's just for splashing. Splash, that's all it is. Do not swim, please. Ultra thin nanocrystal glass. What does that mean? It means that it will have that coating, that anti-reflective coating, which we've seen in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It was super cool. And also with Huawei tablets, paper tablets. Excellent screen. Unfortunately, S25 Ultra doesn't have that screen. At least I think so. No, it does not have that. Anyway, it will be available on the inner screen, which is super cool, especially in the bright days. Stunning, my English, display inside and outside. Apologize, my English is still not that great. 120 Hz on the outside and on the inside. That's super cool, and also good resolution for the big inner screen. That's important because if you have low resolution on such a huge screen, it will look terrible. And this one is pretty decent. On the paper, well, on the screen. There's no paper. All around eye protection. We've seen it in the previous models. Most of them smartphones. Misty white, cosmic black. There's also a purple version. I'm not sure why it's not on the side, which is weird, but it is what it is. Ultimate power and performance. Mega power micro size. 5,600 mAh battery. Silicon content for battery energy density. So 10% more dense than the regular battery. I've already used such a batteries in many smartphones, and it's awesome. 2 days of decent usage, which in Samsungs and iPhones, it's not even a 1 day. So it's a huge difference. Humongous one. 50-watt wireless charging. What vehicle is that with 50-watt charging on the cockpit? Let me know in the comment below. Wow. 50 watt, all right. And 80 watt wire charging, similar to the Fine X8, which I have it somewhere right there. It's pretty cool. Unveiled performance in your palm of your hand, basically. 8 Elite, which is the most powerful at the moment, 3 nanometers, and Color OS 15. It means AI. You can basically cut this screen in half. Has one app on the one side, other on the other side, and they are multitasking. That's what I meant. AI Translate Assistant. Cool. AI translation for documents, assistant for documents, AI call summary, Silco and search, which we've seen in many smartphones. AI empower your inner photographer. Okay, so optical image stabilization, 50 megapixel from the main lens, 1.9 light, which is 89, but that's basically 9. AI telephoto zoom, we've seen it on many smartphones now. And this is how it looks like when you're dreaming about this smartphone, because it's quite expensive. And this is how it looks like when you already bought the device. At least I think so. It's a really cool model. Okay. Oh, and we'll have a cow too. Before and after with the AI eraser, so you can erase those people if you wanted to, or anything. Unblur and reflection remover. So if you're shooting through the glass, that's a super cool feature. Strong network, seamless connectivity, AI link boost for faster, smoother, always on connection. 360 surround antenna, so security and privacy with NFC chip. If we go to the exact specs, which we have on this side, Adreno 830, that's the latest GPU. What else? UFS 4.0, of course. Front-facing camera is not that great. 8 megapixel, 2.4 light. So this is the same camera on the inner screen and outer screen. So both of them. Main camera is 50 megapixel wide-angle sensor with 1.9 aperture with optical image stabilization. Also, ultra-wide angle is 2.2 aperture without the optical image stabilization because it doesn't need it. So wide that you can crop in electronically, be fine, like in the GoPros. Optical image stabilization also for the telephoto lens with 2.7 aperture, 50 megapixels. So 50, 50, 50. That's really good. Really good set of cameras. Front display, same like in the, yeah, it's a front camera. Display resolution, Wi-Fi 7. Bluetooth is 5.4, not 6. We already have 6 on some smartphones, but the difference is minor. You have to have 6 on another device to have a seamless connectivity, well, features. Anyway, it's a minor difference. Battery, of course, it's big. And the most important is network connectivity, because this is a Chinese version and you could worry about the 5G network. You don't have to worry about it because it has all of them, especially in Europe when it's 20 and 20 and 20. So, and also band 2800 megahertz. It's available, yes. So no difference than the regular European smartphones. Similar. Great success. Languages. Google Play Store is pre-installed, Metal and Glass. Android Auto is not available yet, and eSIM is not available yet, but like seen in Vivo, firmware update could fix that availability, I guess. Vivo, in the better version, already have Android Auto. And of course, eSIM. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comment below. So there you go. Oppo Fine N5 in white, black, and purple. Link in the description for you. See you next video.